That's actually quite a hard question. He's David Beckham. I don't know which team he plays for, though. I would have to say he's 40 or something. 30-something. 30.
How old do you think she is?
I would have to say 29. That's Queen.
The Queen?
Yeah.
Okay. And how old do you think she is?
61 or 62. 91. You see younger stars wear less because they wear like dresses with like slits up the sides and things like that, but you never see an old lady walking around with a slit up the side of her skirt.
Believe it or not, advances in medical care mean that children Jessica's age are more likely to live into their hundreds. With huge advances in healthcare and the treatment of serious conditions, we're all on a path to ever longer lives. The average life expectancy in the UK is 81 at the moment, but by 2030 it will have risen to almost 90. And these are just averages. Many will live to 100 and beyond. Game changers, like a cure for cancer, could change those figures significantly, averting 800,000 deaths in 5 years. This is fantastic news, but could have far-reaching effects to make sure we're prepared for people living longer, whilst at the same time making sure we don't place too heavy a burden on future generations. There are urgent questions to ask. Will people have to work much later to make ends meet? Who will pay for the additional years of elderly care? And how will healthcare and pension provision be affected? There are no quick answers, but it's a conversation we need to have and ask if our national insurance system is fit for purpose. Join the discussion today at hymans.co.uk.